Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
First of all, teachers in school, whether it's a PRT, TGT, PGT, whether it's the career counselors, whether it is the principals, you all can play a very little role in making people leader. The first and the foremost are the parents who can inculcate, who can develop the leadership qualities. It's not a leadership quality. I'll just explain you what I mean, what they can talk about. In as I said many times, if you have heard me before, that 0 to 7 years of age is so important in life. The most important years for every human being is 0 to 7 years. Although all over the world it says 0 to 5 years, when you are going to check, you go into the literature documents, everywhere you will find out that we are talking about 0 to 5 years. But India being a very conventional country, I'm sure you must have seen or heard about the iceberg model. The iceberg model says only 10% is visible in any human being, and 90% is invisible. Interesting thing. What you know in an individual is only their knowledge, their skill, their education, their qualification, their appearance. That's it. But what I don't know in him, which is 90%, I don't know his values. I have no idea that whether he is a fraudster, scamster, cheater, or a very, very dedicated or a wonderful person with a lot of values. I don't know his morals, that what the hell he's doing around with other people. I have no idea. I don't know about his opinions. I don't know about his beliefs. Again, I'm sorry, these days in Corona, I forcibly have to live with my wife from last 15 months. And what we don't know in each other is 20%. She has no idea. Whenever I travel, I say, I miss you. And she believes it. Whereas I don't, maybe. I'm just giving an example. It's not that it happens with me. But what I'm trying to tell you is nobody knows about this 90%. And I want to tell you this 90%, which is, I said, values, morals, and other things, talks about leadership. Can we change the opinion of people, judgment of the people, beliefs of the people, values of the people, morals of the people? Or it is also called attitude. Can we change this? My answer is no. You won't like it. Then you'll say, what is the point? What we are doing as a teacher, what we are doing as a career counselors? You may be able to change a little bit, but that also with the rigorous activities. If I don't have a criminal qualities in me, if I don't have a pious thoughts about in me, you as a career counselor, I as a psychologist, or the teachers cannot change, because we don't have that much time to ask them to go through a rigorous training so that we can change the attitude. And I'm sure, being a career counselor, you're fully aware that attitude is something which is a key thing to make a person successful or a failure. So I would say that another name of leadership is attitude. It's different. People will come and talk to you about leadership theories and leadership styles and servant leadership to transformational leadership. That doesn't happen. It's my behavior. Please listen carefully. It's my behavior, and nobody can change that behavior. Yes, maybe very little you can change. If, let's say, I've indulged in mischievous activities, immoral activities, illegal activities, unethical activities, whenever I'm going to get a chance or an opportunity, I will indulge. Maybe 0.1% change in their lifetime because of rigorous training, or because of any kind of aversion in their life, they might change. Otherwise, a normal individual is not going to change. When I say normal individual, don't forget the normal probability curve. So people like 80 to 90% people are not going to change at all. Rather, the particular attitude they have is going to be more rigid in that particular attitude, good or bad. I'm not talking about that. But yes, maybe 5 to 10% on this side or 5 to 10 on this side will try to change, but they will also not be able to change much.